Hi geeks, welcome to College Coders YouTube channel. In this video, we'll see how to connect the Android phone in Android Studio. Without wasting your time, let's get started. So to connect our Android phone to our Android Studio, first of all, we need to do some settings in our Android phone. So I will take you to my Android phone screen. So we need to go to settings. Then we need to search for build number. As you can see that this is the build number of our phone, then we need to tap on it. So we need to click on build number for 10 times, then we'll get the developer option access. After that, we need to go to developer options. So we'll scroll it down and click on developer options. After clicking on developer options, we need to scroll down and search for wireless debugging option. So we need to switch it on. After switching it on, we need to click on wireless debugging. After that, you can see, so we have two options available, that is pair device with QR code and pair device with pairing code. So I will take you to my Android Studio screen, then click on device manager. Here you can see the sign that is pair device using Wi-Fi. So we need to click on it. Here also you can see pair device using QR code and pair device using pairing code. So in pair device using QR code, we need to scan this QR from clicking on pair device with QR code from our phone screen. So when I click on it, it automatically switch on my camera. Then I need to scan this QR code. In other option, pair device with pairing code. In this, I need to click on it. Here you can see a pairing code and a Wi-Fi address is available. So when I click here, you can see I have an option available that is pair. So when I click on it, I need to insert the same code that is available here. So I can connect this phone to my Android Studio. So as you can see, 271018 is my pairing code. So I click on it, 271018, and I have to click on pair. So here you can see my device is connected and I need to click on close. Here you can see my device is connected. In other option, we also have a pair device using QR code. Then we need to scan this QR code. After that you can see device is connected. So we have two different methods to connect our Android phone to Android Studio. So this is all about how to connect our Android phone to our Android Studio using Wi-Fi or wirelessly. Thanks for watching our video. Kindly like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notification.